Hey, we're the Solar Power World team, and it's Top Solar Contractors time.
The application for the 2019 Top Solar Contractors list is open from now until May 24th. It's an online application that takes only a few minutes to complete.
Don't miss your chance to be part of the most recognized list of U.S. contractors in the solar industry.
If your company makes the list, you're invited to our fabulous gala at Solar Power International this year in Salt Lake City.
The gala is a great opportunity to network with fellow solar installers and developers, eat delicious food, and enjoy a couple beverages on us before the big conference starts.
We hope you'll apply today for the Top Solar Contractors list. Can't wait to see you at the gala.
Go to solarpowerworldonline.com to learn how you can apply.